Very strong push here. Very strong push. The NQ looks like it just wanna, I'm sorry, SPY. It's like we're so close to all-time highs already. It's like we're not in war or anything like that. I'm surprised we didn't dip more with the war. I'm gonna do my levels. I don't have any levels on my futures charts. So let's do these morning highs here with data on ES. Definitely have these lows here, and then we have a little bit of these highs here. And then let me see what's the bigger time frames. Resistance, I will say it's this one here, and then we have these highs. Let's see on NQ, we have these highs here. Pre-market highs, definitely acting as support now. The market's been flying the past, I will say, 3 days. 25,800 looks like can be a next big resistance here. Can we get a pullback here to 720, maybe? 720, hold there, and then we can play maybe a bounce 720, maybe 700s, even though we have a lot of resistance above. Okay, I like this pullback here on NQ. Can it hold? Let's see, ES also, it's holding definitely way better than NQ. It's holding this little line here. I like that we have a very strong push, and now we're having a slow pullback. That's what we want to see on pullbacks. If NQ can hold this support, I like it a lot. Look at ES, beautiful hold here. Look at that bounce. Anyone caught that? That was very, very nice. That was perfect. I missed that. I got distracted. But if you guys caught it, I'm happy with that. Yeah, look at that beauty. I like this hold here. Let's see. Yeah, I like this hold here on NQ. It definitely looks like ES is gonna go to the next big resistance level. We're having Nvidia back above to the VWAP. Apple, weird price action. Weird candlestick there also. I like this possible break retest here. Whoa. Okay. What was that? I'm out. I like this. Beautiful trade. I do think we're gonna go higher, but I like my entry. If I can get a little pullback here, I might take it again, but with a few micros, so I can really give it some room to keep going higher. But yeah, that was nice. That was nice. I think I'm done for today, guys. I made a little bit under $400 on these Tradeify accounts, and I also played these Apex accounts, pretty much the same exact trade. So yeah, I'm very happy with my day.